Today I'm going to show you a trick that will help you gain more control over your bow and get many different colors out of your violin. One of the factors that determines the kind of sound you get is bow placement, or where you put the bow between the fingerboard and the bridge. When you're closer to the fingerboard, you will get a softer and subdued sound. When you're close to the bridge, you get a clear and forceful one. Here are two passages that show these contrasts. You can always start off using one bow placement and keep it there, but in actual music you'll probably have to move between different bow placements. Here's a way to travel smoothly. I'm going to start a down bow close to the bridge. Notice that when I angle the bow towards me, the bow begins moving towards the fingerboard. Once I straighten out, I've completed the transition. What if I want to move in the opposite direction? Now I'm going to play a down bow at the fingerboard and angle the bow away from me, causing the bow to move towards the bridge. When you play up bow, the direction that you angle the bow is reversed. To move from the fingerboard to the bridge, angle the bow towards you. To move from the bridge to the fingerboard, angle away from you. A great way to practice this is to go back and forth between these placements in a rhythmic way. I'm taking these exercises from Simon Fisher's book called Warming Up. Here, the numbers indicate bow placement location, with 5 being over the fingerboard and 1 being close to the bridge. The aim is to begin at the fingerboard, go to the bridge, and come back to the fingerboard, all in one bow. You can take this exercise one step further by making 2 of these motions in one bow. Apart from being able to switch between bow placements smoothly, this exercise is also useful for maintaining a straight bow and having better overall control over your bow arm. For more violin tips and tricks, please subscribe to my channel. I also offer both online and in-person lessons, so if you are interested in private instruction, visit my website using the link in the description.